Hi, I'm TR, and this is my mid-century ranch home renovation project. All right, this ought to be interesting. I haven't attempted a skim coat in a lot of years, probably 40. So maybe 35. That might be a little exaggeration too, but it is what it is. So I found a problem here with this wall stabilizer, and what I'm thinking is the material's old on the roll. It's old, so it's not sticking to the wall like I'd like. And I know that wall's clean because I wiped it down twice. So we're gonna make a shot at it anyway. Hopefully I don't make too big a mess. Nothing you can't cover with enough mud, I guess, but I'd rather only have to do this once. So I'm gonna mix up some mud. Another shout out to the Vancouver carpenter. I went to his channel. I'll link to it below. He doesn't know me. I don't know him except from YouTube. But he does such a great job of explaining this stuff, and I have to get a laugh out of it because, you know, his YouTube channel is Vancouver Carpenter. But all I've ever seen him do, well, because it's probably all I've watched, is just sheetrock and mud. Anyway, keep your fingers crossed for me. We're gonna give this a shot. Use up the rest of that bag. I gotta think we might have to go get some more. Oh, I should get a mask on. I've been doing that every time I work with this dusty stuff. All right. So, we need some more water in there. I can feel that already. And let's give her a spin here. It's using a 3/4 inch nap roller, which I have here. We're gonna get some on this roller here. So I'm just going to do a little segment. I think we'll start over in this corner. So I'll move the camera so you can see. Let's give her a try. Actually, I probably don't need this handle. Just so I can get in here and you can still see. This is just a really good way to get lots of mud on the wall real fast. Got my first blob on me. Need more on there. See it already. But I got a real problem. This mesh, I know you love looking at my back, don't you? This mesh is lifting off the wall. It's bubbling. So I'm hoping I can go back and stick it down with a knife. May have to sand it off. All right, let's see what we got now. course, I pick up a sin right away. Oh, see, now I got to show them through up here. Yeah. Carried away. Lighter touch, heavier coat. And skimming over on me, so I am in trouble. Let's see what we can do about speeding this up a little bit. I should be using regular wall compound. This is craziness. Yeah, it's popping through right here. Let's see if we can throw a little more mud on there. Yeah, this is a mess. Yeah, it's skimming up really fast. I am in trouble. Now it's going to take 2 coats. I can see that. Yeah, well, we got a problem. We got some problems here. I know you probably can't see that because it's kind of, the color of the light's not real good. But I got to keep moving, get ahead of this mud. There. Okay. Oh, come on, you gotta get nice long smooth strokes too. Let's try it this way. Oh yeah, nice. Alright, we'll have to over. Just totally contaminated that whole stretch right through there. Mud, mud everywhere, it's a pain in the ass. Jesus. I think it's already gone over. Mess. Good bad. Pixie. Happens when you do your mud right. So, I got a whole batch of it. Well, that's real unfortunate. So I own that one. I didn't realize that
the bottom of this bag of mud that I was using must have been wet, and there was hard little clumps in it. And no matter how much I mixed my mud, it would not take those clumps away. So I ended up throwing away half a bucket of mud. There you go. And it's also taught me a lesson. And I don't know why I didn't buy pre-mixed, but I didn't. And so we got a little trip across town here to go pick up some pre-mixed mud and finish this up. The other issue is that I'm dealing with is this mesh in spots is lifting off the wall. And so although I did get a pretty decent skim coat on one corner, but the mesh was lifting, it's probably going to take 2 coats. I'm good with that. And so I got some work to do, but we'll get through it. Just a little bit kicking myself for not realizing the bottom of this bag is solid. But live and learn, move on. Okay, talk to you soon.